Alright guys, so we'll start with a bit of review for alcohols. You're going to name the ending with OL for alcohols, and the functional group that you're looking for to tell you is the hydroxyl, and that's the OH. So this will be example 1. OH will win the priority over the alkene, so I number that carbon number 1, and I'll move this way to give the alkene the lower number. So that would be a cyclopent molecule, and because of that double bond, it's a cyclopentene. And because of the hydroxyl, it's a cyclopentene-ol. So that'll be with numbers. Cyclopent 2 for the double bond, ene OL. And I don't have to put a number for OL because it's on carbon number 1. So this would be our example number 2. And it's a diol because it has 2 hydroxyl groups. And it doesn't matter how you number it, those hydroxyl groups will get a 1 and a 2. So then it would be a 4 carbon molecule, which is bute, and it's a cyclic, so cyclobutane, and this is where I'll have to put the numbers and diol for the 2 alcohol groups. Okay, example 3. Let me do some erasing. For example 3, I thought I would do an example that had 4 of the same substituents because we haven't done one like that yet. And that's my methyls. I have a CH3 over here, CH3 here, CH3, and CH3. And that's going to be the lower priority group because the hydroxyl will win there. So I have to number it a 1, and I can go 2, 3, or 2, 3, and this will also be 3. So it doesn't matter if I go clockwise or counterclockwise. It's going to be 1, 3 for the hydroxyl and 2, 4 for these methyls. So altogether, I would number it, it's really long, so I'll start here. 2, 2, 4, 4 for the methyls, but it's got to get a prefix of the 4, so tetra is for 4 of the same substituent group, tetramethyl, and then the backbone is cyclobutane, and then I have the diols again, so 1, 3, diol. That's kind of a crazy one, so I decided to throw like an extra hard one in for at least 1 for each functional group. So that one would be the extra hard one. And then example 4 is actually the easier one. So numbering it, I would want to start from left to right here because it would give it a 3 on that hydroxyl, which is higher priority than a chloro, bromo, any of the halogens. So it would be 3, 3-ol, and I have a 6 carbon molecule, so it's hexane 3-ol. And then my bromines is 2, 5 dibromo. And these should all be together in one line, but I just can't fit. So 2, 5 dibromo hexane 3-ol.